Okay, how about a red one? Uh-oh, what's that?
Tractor.
What's that?
I tell you.
That's a red one, huh? Red?
Uh,
Here comes again.
Tractor.
What's that?
Tractor.
Red.
Red. Tractor.
Yeah, there's a red one. Wanna see an orange one?
Tractor.
Wanna see an orange tractor?
Oh,
Okay, let's find us an orange tractor. Let's see here. Let me see. This may be a blue one. Let's see if we can find one of these. Let's see what color it is. Uh-oh, what that? That's that.
Tractor.
That's a blue tractor. What color is that? Blue?
Good.
Blue. Yeah.
Tractor.
Yeah.
Good.
Yep. Okay, let's see here. Let's see. Let me see here.
Oh,
Yeah. So that was Let me see what we got.
Tractor.
Yeah. Oh man, look at all the tires on that one. Whoa, that's a big tractor there, huh?
Tractor.
Yeah, that's kind of a red, yellow, black, rusty looking tractor. I think that's an old one. Yeah. Alright, let's go back, see if we can find some more. Let's see here. Uh-oh, let's see here. Let's see what this guy's got. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, let me see. Oh, look at this. Oh, man. What's that?
Tractor.
Tractor? Look at that. Is that a yellow one? Yellow? Yellow? Tractor. Oh, man. That tractor. Oh, I bet you'd like to have one of those, huh?
Oh, tractor.
Yeah. $183,000. You better stick to these cheaper ones I see. You're missing parts and stuff. Let's see. Oh, okay, let's see what we got here. Oh.
Tractor.
What's that?
Tractor.
What color?
Tractor.
Yeah, that's a tractor. Is that a red one?
Red.
Red tractor.
Tractor.
That's a red tractor.